Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to post a longer text on the X application. So if you guys would like to go ahead and post a longer text on the X application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. But basically, it is already possible to post a longer texts or longer tweets on the X application. All we need to do is to go ahead and tap. Well, gonna show you guys in this example. Alright guys, so all we need to basically do is to go in over on your account and tap on this plus icon to create a new tweet. As you see over here, we gonna have the option to create a tweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on this. I'm gonna change this real quick to all followers. And then I'm gonna type in the specific stuff that I want. Basically, as you see, if in the case that you guys reach a specific word limit over here, you gotta actually tap on this plus icon to add another tweet directly under that post. Of course, if you have exceeded the specific word limit on this option on your first tweet, you can have this option to tap on the plus icon and continue whatever you guys are saying. And then, of course, if you guys have reached a limit on your second tweet, just tap on the plus icon again to add another post. Tap on post all once you're done, and that's how you guys could easily go ahead and, well, post longer tweet on the X application. Figures for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.